I know I never showed the build for this, but it's very basic. Just 2 logs and then 2x4s in the back screwed to the logs down on the bottom part down here. 2 logs screwed into the logs. 2x4s, sorry, screwed into the logs, and then just logs put across here. And they're probably on their way to rotten. But I could have done something to prevent that, but I didn't. And here's another bench that I made. And these are offcuts from a cypress log. So these are holding up very, very well because cypress is pretty rot resistant, and in comparison to that bench, this one is holding up nicely.